want to get funded but don't know how to purchase the challenge? In this video, I'm going to take you step by step through the process. Starting out with the Funded Trader is as simple as signing up for a challenge and getting funded upon passing. We have done our best to automate the entire process. This way, you focus on trading and we focus on the rest. Go to the fundedtraderprogram.com. Once you're on the main TFT website, go to the pricing section of our homepage. Read through the challenge types and select the program you would like to participate in. Select the program and account size that fits you the best. For example, Standard Challenge, Regular Account, 200,000 account size. Review the rules of the program and visit our help center if you have any doubts regarding the rules of any of our programs. Enter your billing details and complete your payment. Within a few minutes, you will receive your account credentials for Phase 1 in a welcome email and will be able to access the trading platform as well as the dashboard. And that is as simple as that. Trade safe and good luck, guys!